Okay, let's talk about area of a rhombus or kite when diagonals are given to you. So, in this case, with diagonals, D1 and D2. Rhombus, all the sides are of equal measure, diagonal 1, diagonal 2. Kite, these two sides are equal and these two sides are equal, diagonal 1 and diagonal 2. To find the area in both these two cases, area is nothing but half times diagonal 1 times diagonal 2. This is the area of a rhombus or kite. One thing. Another thing, let's try one question related to this one. Okay. So in this question, they are asking you find the area of a rhombus. This is diagonal 1, diagonal 2, or you can say this is nothing but diagonal 1 and this is your diagonal 2, right? And area is nothing but half times diagonal 1 and diagonal 2. Let's plug these values. Area is half times d1 times d2. So half times 9 times 12, which will give you 9 times 6, which is nothing but 54 square m. Let's check our answer. Square meters. Checked. Now another concept. Okay. They are talking about the center of a polygon. What is going on in this? A polygon is there and polygon is circumscribed by a circle. So polygon inside a circle. So if a polygon is there inside a circle, the center of a polygon is the center of the circle. And from the center to the vertices of all the side, that means all the vertices of the polygon, it is nothing but radius. From the center to the base of the polygon, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, this is pentagon. So 5 sides. From the center to the base of the polygon is called nothing but height, but the fancy name is apothem. The distance from the center to any side, this is important, any side of regular polygon is called apothem of a regular polygon. This is nothing but just the height of that given triangle. If I am considering this triangle, only one triangle of the polygon, right? Then this is the base. And from the center, from the vertex to the base, this is forming a 90 degree. So if it's forming a 90 degree, that means this is nothing but height. It is a fancy name called apothem. Okay. How I can find out the area of a regular polygon which is inscribed which is there inside the circle. That means which is circumscribed by a circle or a polygon inscribed in a circle. So you can find the area for any regular n-gon, that means any number of sides, by dividing it into congruent triangles. It is a pentagon. How many triangles will be there? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So area of one triangle, if I can figure out what is the area of one triangle and then multiply by number of triangles, that will give you area of the total polygon. So area of one triangle is nothing but, area of a triangle is half base times height. Half base times height. Height is nothing but apothem. Times n, number of sides. How many sides are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Times 5, because n is nothing but 5 in this case. Now, here is the thing. How will you find out what is this angle? To find out this central angle, to find the measure of each central angle, 360 divided by number of sides. In this case, there are 5 sides, right? So n is 5. If n is 5 and I need to find out what is the central angle, so 360 divided by 5, which is nothing but 72 degree. So this angle, this central angle, 72, 72, 72, 72, 72, because they will total add up to 360 degree. Okay, let's try this in one of the examples. Okay, let's try this one. In this case, a hexagon. Okay, hexagon means n is equal to 6 because there are 6 sides. Is inscribed in a circle with a diameter of 32. So if a diameter is 32, right, that means the radius will be what? Radius will be 16. Okay, now here is the thing. In this case, what is going on? This is my one circle, one triangle, I'm sorry. Another triangle, another triangle, and another triangle, right? How many triangles? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's consider only this triangle. If I just consider this triangle, what will happen? This is my triangle. Okay. First, I need to find out what is the angle of this triangle. How? There are 6 sides, so central angle will be 360 because the sum total of a circle is 360. Sum total of a polygon is 360 divided by number of sides. Number of side is 6. Number of side is 6. This will give you 60 degree. Okay, wonderful. So if this total is 60 degree, right? One part will be 30 degree. Now, if this part is 30 and radius, it's nothing but the radius is 16. That means this is 16. To find the area of a triangle, we need to have half base times height. Okay, so if this is 30 and this is 90, that means this triangle is of 30, 60 and 90 degree triangle. And we have learned this in trig. This is 30, this has to be 60 degree. And hypotenuse in 30, 60 degree, 30, 60, 90 degree is nothing but 2 times the shorter leg. And the shorter leg is nothing but the opposite to the 30 degree angle. So opposite to 30 degree angle, this is my shorter leg. If hypotenuse is 16, shorter leg will be half of 16. That means shorter leg will be 8. Shorter leg is 8. That means base is 8. What is height? Longer leg is always shorter leg root 3. So this is shorter leg root 3. Why? Because it is a 30, 60, 90 triangle that we are talking about. So because it is shorter leg root 3, shorter leg is 8. So half times base is 8 and the height will be 8 radical 3. And and it will give you 8 radical 3. Now, this will give me the area of only this portion of the triangle. I need the area of the total. So if this side of the base is 8, this is also 8. So in total, this is 16, right? So instead of writing 8, I can write 16, or I can do times 2, because this part of the triangle and this part of the triangle will make this total triangle that we are talking about. And this is only one part of the 6 triangles. Okay. If you simplify it, it will give you 64 radical 3. Now, this is the area of one triangle. And we are looking for area of the total polygon. And how many sides are there? 6 sides. So area of one triangle times n. Area of one triangle times n. N is nothing but number of triangles. And there are 6 triangles. So area of the hexagon, because this is a hexagon, will be 64 radical 3 times 6. And you will get 384 radical 3, or if you convert it into a decimal form by simplifying radical 3, it will give you about 665.11 square units. So in this case, we are trying to find out area of a polygon, but to do that, we have to use 30, 60, 90 rule. Okay, let's try a few more. Okay. Now, in this case, find the measure of a central angle of a regular dodecagon. Dodecagon is nothing but 12 sides. So, central angle will be 360 degree, which is the total, divided by number of sides. So if I do that, it will give me 30 degree. 30 degree. Check. Let's try another one. Okay. Find the area of the regular pentagon. So n is equal to 5. Base. Okay. So if this is only a portion of one triangle, this is your total triangle. Let's find out what is the central angle first. So central angle in this case will be 360 degree divided by number of sides. How many sides are there? 5. Divided by 5, which will give you 72 degree. So this total is 72 degree. If this total is 72 degree, one angle will be 36 degree. Only one thing is missing in this case to find the area of a triangle. I don't know the height. To find the height, I cannot use 30, 60, 90 rule here because the angle is 36 degree. Side opposite to 36 degree is given to me. Can I use trig ratios? Let's try. Is hypotenuse given to us? No. So according to SOHCAHTOA, process of elimination, since hypotenuse is not given to us, I cannot use sine and cosine. What is left? Only tangent. Let's apply this. So tangent of 36 degree is equal to opposite over adjacent. Opposite, and this is nothing but h because we are trying to find the height. So 7 over height. If you cross multiply using our butterfly method rule. So cross multiply. If you cross multiply, it will give you height times tangent 36 degree is equal to 7. I need to get rid of tangent now to isolate height. So tangent 36 degree and tangent 36 degree divided. This will create magic 1 and height will be 7 tangent 36 degree. If you plug it everything in your calculator, it should give you approximately 9.63. Okay, so this is height. So height is done and this is 7, so this has to be 7. So the total base is nothing but 14. Okay, we have everything. Let's find the area. So area of one triangle, which is nothing but half times base times height. Base is 14 and height is 9.63. Half times 14 times 9.63. Okay. And what I need to find out? I need to find out area of the total entire polygon. So area of a pentagon will be this total, which is half times 14 times 9.63, and because there are 5 sides, times 5. If you plug it in your calculator, you will get approximately 337.2 unit square. And let's check the answer. Oh, here you go. 337.2 square units. This is our answer. I hope it will help.